এতিয়া কাৰ কেতিয়া ক'ত কি হয় কোনেও ক'ব নোৱাৰে তো হেলমেট পিন্ধি গাড়ী চলাওঁ
Never be crossed, established it on our own. When that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go. And every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
আজি বতৰটো ইমান এটা ভালো নহয় চিপ চিপকে বৰষুণো আহি আছে ঠাণ্ডা লাগিছে মেইন কথা ঠাণ্ডা আহিল আৰু পূজা আহিল মানে ঠাণ্ডা গুৱাহাটীতো নাই বৰপেটা চাইডে বহুত ঠাণ্ডা কালি একদম মোৰ পানী লাগি গৈছে ৰাতি বহুত দূৰ বাট ট্ৰেভেলিং কি কৰিব উপায় নাই গাড়ীটো কিনিব নোৱাৰোৱে স্কুটিতে গৈ আছোঁ আৰু অলপ চাই লওক আপোনালোকেও ঠাইবিলাক কেনেহেন ৰামপুৰত ৰ'লোঁ এতিয়া কিবা এটা খাই লওঁ চিপছকে খাওঁ শুনিছা না চিপছ খাওঁ চিপছ খালোঁ যাওঁ এতিয়া এনেকৈ এবাৰ গাড়ী মই চলাম পিছফালে ই বহিব
Nobody sticks together, no one believes traditions. People leave and quit, and now I never see persistence. I see the good, the bad, and people who don't see the difference. I do not wish to be like you, so we should keep some distance. Cause see, for instance, love should be just instant. Even infants comprehend it. Tell me why you preach against it. Oh, you too egotistic to even seek assistance. Well, if you can't be consistent, you might as well cease existence. I was raised by a queen, but she worked like a slave. And yeah, she taught me to mean every word that I say. Taught me to treat people right, cause I deserved what I gave. Now I want nothing but perfect in every verse that I lay. My mama did some things for money, yeah, so what if she did? She did what she had to do, so we had a place to live. She put food up on the table, so we had a grace to give. Yeah, them bands will make her dance, cause them bands will feed the kids. And I ain't ashamed of that, not ashamed of that. I repeat myself, I bring it back. I could lie to you and try to hide the truth, but tell me what part of the game is that? No, I came to work, I came to work. I run that game till my ankles hurt. She the reason I stand tall today. Damn right, I give thanks to her. No, I don't know just where I'm gonna be or what I'm gonna be doing in another year or 3. All I know is I'll be far from where I'm at. Gonna live to be a legend, yeah, I'm down to die for that. I don't know just where I'm gonna be or what I'm gonna be doing in another year or 3. All I know is I'll be far from where I'm at. Gonna live to be a legend, yeah, I'm down to die for that. I see you try to fit in, I see the separation. I've heard about your dreams, I see no preparation. You talk about success like it's just a destination. Wishing every day for something doesn't count as dedication. Dedicated to you basic-headed bougie bitches. Head too high to smell the roses, nails too clean to do the dishes. I used to holler, but you acted way too cool to listen. Now I get to taste revenge, I swear this shit is too delicious. Now I'm elevated, you still get hella faded. Your life is not progressing, but yet you celebrate it. Still live that same old same life, still getting medicated. Still living day-to-day life, nothing's premeditated. Like you.
All I want, who got away?
Trying to lead life by example, but living this life is a handful. And I ain't gonna clear no samples, but I'm about to clear my mantle. I need that plaque for reset, You need that chance to place bets, huh? You missed your chance to get fresh, bruh. You still got time to get left, bruh. Obama in the whip, I'm a stitch. Grab a chick, grab a 40 and a Dutch, yeah, an angel with some tits, huh? And I'm back with a grip, back catalog, analog, rap like a brick, huh? And I rap cause I'm sick, back catalog fixed, so I'm never gonna trip, God. Why you do me like this? Hip-hop still good, you know I ain't gonna trip, Lord. You know I ain't gonna dip, I'ma stay right here till my plaque is a disc. Like I say lunatic, I'ma stay right hard till my plaque is a disc. Hey, no rest for the wicked now, so fall back on your plan B. No song for the choir now, life sucks when you ain't free. No hope for the weary though, they keep taking that back seat. Two-tone rebel shit, keep the peace like Gandhi. Middle pad, my staff never half-mast. Our drums go like a trap hat. Our drums go hammer cause they have to. Talk shit on Twitter, better at you. Paul Simon when I grace lands. Fuck diamonds, I be on the grayscales. I be tipping they scales, 55th time that I didn't go for pre-sales. And even when I prevail, I be on that retail, sinking with that eval. Listen to the seashell, he don't say shit. 16 spin it go hard. 82 on with a thorn in my inside. I pull it out when I get mine. I two shuffle like a duffel full of good. 16 spin it go hard. 82 on with a thorn in my inside. I pull it out when I get mine. I two shuffle like a duffel full of good. Hey, no rest for the wicked out. So fall back on your plan B. No song for the choir now. Life sucks when you ain't free. No hope for the weary doubt. They keep taking that back seat. Two-tone rebel shit. Keep the peace like Gandhi.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now?
घूमे घूमे बंजारे घूमे गलियां ये बेचारे don't know which way to go आगे होगा क्या घर से भागे थोड़े सोए थोड़े जागे बाहर है दुनिया जालिम रब ही जाने जो होगा आगे सच बोलो तो मुंह की खाते झूठी दुनिया झूठे सारे don't know which way to go आगे होगा बेफिक्रे चार मलंगी छोड़ के आए साथी संगी घर बैठे शोषण खर्चे हो गई साली जेब की तंगी नाच नचाए अब तो हमको रब ही बचाए don't know which way to go आगे होगा घूमे घूमे बंजारे घूमे गलियां ये बेचारे don't know which way to go आगे होगा क्या जब हालत कड़की याद आने लगी फिर घर की बोतल का ढक्कन खोला कसर मिटा दी जिंदगी भर की और उनके आंसू बन गए पत्थर जीना नहीं है अब मर मर कर don't know which way to go आगे होगा क्या
It's all about life. It's all about fellas and yachty. It's all about मेरे दोस्त की गाड़ी
ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਾਤਿਲ ਮਖਾ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜਾਵੇਂਗੀ ਤੂੰ ਫਾਸਟ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਗੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇ ਅਬੇ harder yo